China multi-game card from the 90s. Let's go! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, let's zoom a little bit out. Today we're going to take a close look at a Sega multi-game card. Yes. No, we're not going to need my Game Boy friends. This time we're going to do it Sega style with 16-bit. What was that scratch phrase again? Blast processing power. It's a pretty basic 7-in-1. Oh man, if you look at my videos, we are used to 101 and 120 and 198 and 1. Now we got a 7-in-1. Yeah, back at the time we were very pleased with this cartridge because we got 7 games on one cartridge. Really, I'm going to zoom in a little bit for you so you can see the quality of the cartridge. It's not a Sega card, of course, because it's not an official product of Sega back at the time. Yeah, it got columns, Tetris. Let's stick in my Retro Trio Plus 3 and let's see what we're going to get, people, because I'm very curious. Alright, this is something I never seen before, and now you're asking maybe, what is that with the Wicked? It's very simple. I never seen a multi-game card that you need to press the reset button to switch between the games. Wow. The original for Sega, the Mega Game Collections were, yeah, with a little tiny menu with it where the covers were scrolling from left to right. Really awesome. But they didn't even bother for making a menu for this thing. So every time you need to reset your console. Alright, that is really annoying. Let's play a little bit of columns. Just played a little bit of Tiny Toons and that song is in my head. Alright, next game. I suck at this game, by the way. Ooh, let's play a little bit of Flintstones. Ooh, I played this game a lot as a child. I rented it from Videoland. There was a local store, or a local, where you can just rent games. Man, what a great time was that, I can tell you. Let's be honest, the games were pretty damn expensive, and as a child I didn't have the money to buy them all, so you can just rent them. Really awesome, really neat. I have really no clue how to go further. I can... oh right, right, there's Power Robot. Oh, this is how we do it. Oh, I need to press the jump button twice. Why didn't you tell me so? Oh man, I really love this game. This is so fun to play again. And the animations are looking very nice. So, let's do another reset. To play a little bit of Pac-Man. Why the spec boost always on. Alright. Oh, I can play cooperative? Really? Oh, that is nice. Alright. Whoa, this is going really fast. I like it. That Pac-Man DX game on the PlayStation Store was also so awesome. Turbo mode Pac-Man, I love it. Only it's really hard to control it. It's not very responsive. Or it's my controller that got some really problems with it. Nope. So yeah, for the final conclusion about this card. One thing is for sure that, and yeah, I have personally never seen this. Do you? But yeah, it's a fun multi-game card for your collection. I want to thank you, multi-card collector, for lending me this and making an opportunity of checking it out and showing my fellow YouTubers this video game. I do some gameplay, but Yeah, I will never buy it for playing. It's more like a collectible item these days because we got so many big, multi-game cards. Check out my channel. I did a lot of multi-game card reviews about the Sega, and there are so many good Sega multi-game cards out there. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome Wicked videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.